Hey guys, it's Danica and today I'm going to be unboxing this Panic at the Disco A Fever You Can't Sweat Out album. My friend Shannon got this for me for Christmas and I just got it now because we haven't seen each other in such a long time. And it is a booklet vinyl, I'm pretty sure, so I wanted to open it on camera and film this little intro before we get into it. So yeah, I just finished filming a Fall Out Boy vinyl collection, so if you guys want to see that, I'll link it down below. I'm also thinking of filming a complete vinyl collection, but I have like 70 vinyls, so it will probably take a while, so let me know if you guys would like to see that. But if you'd like to see the unboxing of this vinyl, then just keep watching. So this is an unboxing for Panic at the Disco's A Fever You Can't Sweat Out. I'm pretty sure my friend got this for me at Urban Outfitters, so yeah, it's available there. And I don't think it's a colored vinyl. I'm pretty sure this is just a black vinyl, but it's still fun to do unboxing. So this is what the back looks like, and then the front. So I'm gonna open it. So this is what the front looks like, and then this is the back without the plastic over it. And then I've never seen what the inside looks like, so this is going to be a surprise. Hey! So it's just the ladies with like their mismatching legs. I never really understood that concept when I was a kid, but I don't know, I always just thought it was weird. So this is actually a one disc, but there's something in here. I think it's like a lyric sheet. Oh, cool. It comes with a poster. That's so cool. Comes with the poster, and then on the back are lyrics. Oh, this is so awesome. Oops, it's upside down. This is so awesome. I love when vinyls come with a little extra because it's just fun to look at all of the stuff. And the lyrics are super small, so if you put it on your wall, like, you'll probably have to go up really close to read them, but yeah. I don't have any room on my walls to put any posters up, but I'll just keep it in the record because it's nice to have. Okay, and then let's get into the actual vinyl. Ooh. Ooh. So it's just plain black. I do have Death of a Bachelor, and that's a plain black vinyl, so I'm not trying to collect colored vinyls for Panic at the Disco. So side A has 8 songs, and then side B has 5. And I like the little artwork that's on the center here. I love roses. I mean, like, I have a rose tattoo, so roses are totally my aesthetic. So my favorite songs off of this album have to be Time to Dance, But It's Better If You Do, and probably Camisado. I don't even know if that's how you say it, but those are my top 3 favorite songs. This album brings back a lot of nostalgia because it came out when I was like in 5th grade, so every time I listen to it I just feel like a kid again. I remember having this album like on my MP3 shuffle player like before I had an iPod, so it's so funny to have it on a vinyl and listen to it in a different form. So this is everything in the Panic at the Disco A Fever You Can't Sweat Out vinyl. Like I said, it's from Urban Outfitters, and I'll link it down below. So that was my unboxing for Panic at the Disco's A Fever You Can't Sweat Out. I really like this album. It came out in when I was in 5th grade, so it does remind me of my childhood when I listen to it. So if you guys would like to see more vinyl collection videos, then subscribe to my channel and let me know what you guys would like to see in the comments down below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!